Conflict. It's an essential ingredient of all storytelling. You want a story about a character overcoming something and getting what they want. It's critical, crucial even. But what about you as the storyteller trying to reach a particular audience? That's where you don't want conflict. And that's why I teach an audience-centric approach to storytelling. So you look into what they might object to, questions they might have, things that they might be uncomfortable with, and any kind of message or process that you're putting forward to them in your story that you need them to be on board with and to take something away from it. Audience-centric messaging and an approach to building a story around a message that we know our audience is going to at least pay attention to is step one to getting cut through, so you and your audience can at least be receptive to listening to a difficult message. Join me for influential storytelling to learn this process.